Michael Jackson was one of the most iconic pop stars of all time, known for his incredible music, his stunning dance moves, and his unique sense of style. But his life was also marked by controversy, tragedy, and deep personal struggles. Born in Gary, Indiana in 1958, Michael Jackson was the eighth of 10 children in his family. He began performing with his brothers at a young age, and by the 1970s, they had formed the Jackson Five and were achieving great success in the music industry. But it was Michael's solo career that truly set him apart from the rest. In 1982, Jackson released his album Thriller, which became the best-selling album of all time, with over 110 million copies sold worldwide. The album spawned several hit singles, including Billy Joel and Beat It, and cemented Jackson's place as a pop icon. But Jackson's life was also marked by controversy. He was accused of child molestation in the 1990s and faced multiple legal battles throughout his life. He also struggled with his own personal demons, including a difficult childhood, a troubled relationship with his father, and a reported addiction to prescription drugs. Despite these challenges, Jackson continued to produce music and tour throughout his career. His performances were known for their incredible energy and spectacle, with elaborate costumes, intricate choreography, and jaw-dropping special effects. Tragically, Michael Jackson passed away in 2009 at the age of 50. His death was ruled a homicide caused by an overdose of propofol and benzodiazepine. While his life was marked by controversy and personal struggles, Jackson's impact on the music industry and pop culture will never be forgotten. In the years following his death, Jackson's music continued to inspire and captivate audiences around the world. His music videos such as Thriller and Beat It became cultural touchstones and are still celebrated today for their groundbreaking visual effects and choreography. But Jackson's legacy has also been marred by the allegations of child molestation that surrounded him throughout his life. In the wake of the Me Too movement, many have re-examined the accusations against Jackson and questioned the way he was treated by the media and the justice system. Despite the controversies and challenges of his life, Michael Jackson remains an enduring figure in popular culture. His music, his dance moves, and his unique sense of style have influenced countless artists and continue to captivate audiences around the world. In addition to his music and dance, Jackson was also known for his philanthropic efforts. He donated millions of dollars to charity throughout his career, including to organizations that supported children's health and welfare. Jackson's impact on popular culture can also be seen in the many artists who have been influenced by his music and style. From Beyoncé to Justin Timberlake, many of today's biggest pop stars have cited Jackson as a major inspiration. Despite the controversies surrounding him, Jackson's music and legacy continue to be celebrated by his fans. His songs are still played on the radio, his dance moves are still imitated on dance floors around the world, and his influence can still be felt in the world of popular music and beyond. In the end, Michael Jackson's life was a complex and often tumultuous journey, marked by incredible talent, personal struggles, and controversy. But through it all, he remained one of the most iconic and enduring figures in the history of pop culture.